from a nap, but right now I'm gonna be making a band vlog video, basically showing y'all what I be doing when I go to band practice and how it be running. Well, I'm gonna be late. It's a car accident, and look, they always gonna be nosy. If you know, you know. But come on now, boy, go across the street. You gotta get to practice. But nah, I hope everybody's safe though. What happened? Try and get some footage for y'all. I'm running off the road. Ooh, no, it do not look good. People went into percent. Oh my gosh. They're carrying them to the helicopter right now, bro. Yo. Yo, like that car accident was that bad. They got cops here, cops all the way down the road. Let me try to zoom in. Cops all the way down there. Dang, it's so bad. Family's out. I'll catch up with y'all when I get back to school. We're back with another video. We just hang out. Bye. Y'all, Allie had to put together her outfit. Look at her. She didn't take it apart. This is her vlog. How would you put it? Let's show them her feet. You can show me your feet. I got my cousin. I know, I was staring at them. We're back. Hold on. I'm afraid that if I go next to Mr. H, Nikki's in the cabin. I hope she don't put all of this in there, but she put some of it. When I look cute, I hope she pay attention. Are you vlogging me? Yes. I'll be up. Anyways, look at the dancers. Don't be cussing. I wasn't cussing at all. I think. I see your mama. She act like she ain't know me. I seen her twice. She ain't. I said, hey. That's okay. So I'm at practice. This my section. That's Renesia, y'all. Y'all know her. Miss Rock. Can I get the music? So that's clarinets over there. And with my band director. Yes, we gotta wear the mask at band practice. It's cold. Everybody else got their mask on, and I'm the only one. And I gotta cut that out. These trombones right here. Oh well, no, he was the only one. Is this like a vlog or something? Yeah. That's the #1 cost, crunchy, everything runner at this school. He got the best time at this school. I don't even know where the music is. He said in the box. Where? I thought nobody. Uniform room. Oh, that's your last. I cannot find the music. Look how jump. Let me not. I'm posting this. Heat. Okay, since I can't find the music, Renesia, hey, I'm about to head back. They out. Yo. Where my sister? Yo. Yeah. I'm posting this on YouTube.
Right.
Yeah.
Wait, you gotta get